Saving for retirement just got a shakeup. Yep, from bigger 401k limits to automatic enrollment to brand new options like crypto and private equity. Earlier this month, President Trump signed an executive order aimed at expanding investment options. Now 401k plans are allowed to include private equity, real estate, cryptocurrency, in addition to traditional options. It also directs the Department of Labor to re-examine and clarify guidelines on fiduciary duties under the Employment Retirement Income Security Act of 1974, and it seeks stronger protections to reduce lawsuits against plan sponsors offering these new assets. Let's dive into this thing with our financial expert and friend of the show, Andrew Poulos. Welcome back, my friend.
Good morning, Chesley.
All right. Why are these changes being made now? What's the problem that we're having to solve?
Well, we're in a new era where crypto is front and center with everything we do, especially for younger generation who loves to invest in crypto, fast returns, just the YOLO type of stuff that we're seeing out there in the market, but more so to create more avenues for people to invest, which basically will do well for some and leave others empty-handed at the end of the day if they're not careful as we proceed into this new era of investments.
Wow. So does it create new opportunities or more opportunities, or does it just have room for more mistakes for us to make?
Yeah, well, a little bit of both, right? It certainly creates new opportunities. There'll be these, once they set the regulations in place and administrators know what they can and can't have in the 401k plans, that'll determine what 401k money can invest in, as you mentioned, private equity, real estate, crypto. Crypto's the big one, of course. And so then we'll see where money can go into. There'll be ETFs, exchange traded funds, within these 401ks where it'll be a bag, say, of cryptocurrency or a bag of private equity investments or a bag of real estate, for example, and then folks will be able to invest in those. The concerning part is, as it should be, is that investing in crypto, we've seen the volatility already. It's only going to get worse the more money that flows into cryptocurrency and these alternative investments via 401ks, right? So you got to be prepared to, sort of have a higher risk tolerance if you're going to invest in these alternative investments with your retirement account.
Yeah. What are some of the more reliable options for your retirement?
I mean, look, if you're closer to retirement, let's just say you're in your 50s, 60s, or very close to retirement, I think obviously any financial advisor would advise that you stick with the more traditional path of stocks and bonds, right? Less volatility. Yes, the returns would be lower, but your money is safer as you get into retirement. If you're younger, if you're in your 20s, early 30s, and you have 20, 30, 40 years before retirement, and you're willing to take a chance and you have some higher tolerance for risk, then yeah, you're probably going to look at potentially investing a little bit of crypto, some real estate, for example, within your 401k. That can boost up your returns much faster in a shorter time frame. But you got to be very smart. Don't go all in, for example, like a lot of people do, thinking that they're just going to have some multiplier of 200-300% gains in a year, because those fast gains can come right back down and just as fast.
Wow. So who benefits from it? These new changes? Is it the high-end earners or the average workers?
Yeah, listen, if you're an average worker, you can certainly benefit from it if you play it smart and you don't really have a lot of money invested in this stuff to start out with, right? I just think that the more money we see going now from 401ks especially into crypto, is just going to make more volatility, basically. So we're going to see just some sharp upswings and some very sharp drawdowns.
All right, Andrew Poulos, thanks so much for joining us. And hey, I noticed the pocket square doesn't match the tie today. Is that a new trend or something? What's going on
today? I'm trying to follow your steps.